Join me as I put these amazing airport secrets to the test, and see if I can help seniors fly stress-free. In this video, you'll discover essential tips and tricks tailored specifically for seniors to make airport experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Many seniors face challenges such as mobility issues, long lines, and confusing airport layouts that can lead to unnecessary stress while traveling. Mobility issues can be a major concern, as airports can be vast and difficult to navigate, especially for those with walkers or wheelchairs. Airports often have services in place to assist passengers with mobility issues, but many seniors are unaware of these services. Seniors may also encounter long lines at check-in, security, and customs, which can be frustrating and tiresome. These lines can be a significant source of stress, especially for those who are short on time or have limited mobility. Some airports offer special lines or services for seniors, but these are not always well publicized. If you found this video inspirational, don't forget to like, please comment below, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Airports can be confusing, with multiple terminals, gates, and concourses, making it difficult for seniors to find their way around. This can be overwhelming, especially for those who are traveling alone or are unfamiliar with the airport. Airport staff are often happy to provide directions or assistance, but seniors may be hesitant to ask for help. Traveling can be a daunting experience for seniors, especially when faced with the chaos of an airport. However, with the right strategies and knowledge, seniors can navigate airports with ease and confidence, reducing stress and making their travel experience more enjoyable. We'll explore various strategies, including using airport assistance services, planning ahead for security checks, and knowing the best times to travel. Airport assistance services can be a lifesaver for seniors, providing help with everything from check-in to boarding. These services can be arranged in advance, and many airports offer them free of charge. Planning ahead for security checks is also crucial, as this can be a source of significant stress for seniors. By knowing what to expect and preparing accordingly, seniors can breeze through security with ease. This includes wearing easy-to-remove shoes, avoiding certain items in carry-on luggage, and having necessary documents readily available. Knowing the best times to travel can also make a big difference for seniors. By avoiding peak travel times such as holidays and rush hour, seniors can reduce their stress levels and make their airport experience more enjoyable. Some airports even offer special perks for traveling during off-peak hours, such as faster security lines and more available seating. Using technology can also help seniors navigate airports more easily. Many airports have mobile apps that provide maps, flight information, and other useful tools. These apps can be a great resource for seniors, helping them to stay organized and on track. The key moment will reveal a hidden gem, a little-known program that allows seniors to bypass long lines and navigate the airport with ease. This program is called TSA Cares, and it provides assistance to seniors and passengers with disabilities. By contacting TSA Cares in advance, seniors can arrange for a personal assistant to guide them through the airport, helping them to navigate security and reach their gate. If you've got any tips or experiences to share, please comment below. Have you ever had a particularly smooth or frustrating airport security experience? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel-related content. TSA Cares is a game-changer for seniors, providing them with the support and assistance they need to travel with confidence. This program is available at many airports and it's free of charge. By taking advantage of TSA Cares, seniors can reduce their stress levels and make their airport experience more enjoyable. Another little-known secret is the use of airport lounges, which can provide a quiet and comfortable space for seniors to relax before their flight. These lounges often offer complimentary food and drinks, as well as other amenities such as free Wi-Fi and showers. By paying a small fee, seniors can gain access to these lounges and enjoy a more relaxed airport experience. To wrap up, we've highlighted practical tips that can significantly ease your airport experience, ensuring you fly stress-free. By using these strategies and taking advantage of airport services, seniors can navigate airports with ease and confidence. If you found these tips helpful, check out our next video on essential travel gadgets for seniors. And don't forget to leave a comment with your own airport tips.